feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Battery optimization limits background activity to save power, which blocks Ring doorbell notifications since the app can't stay active. To fix this, add the Ring app to your phone's battery optimization whitelist. This ensures alerts come through instantly, keeping you connected and secure.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.